What's up everybody? GirlInGrease here, and thanks for being here. I really hope you guys had a great summer. I have. The weather's been really great here. I've taken some time to not be posting any videos, so just to kind of relax, spend time with my family over the course of this summer. So one of the things I wanted to share with you guys, as you guys see behind me, I needed some more space to do some videos, to do some builds on my C10, do some videos on my Jeep. So what we've done is I made a move, stayed in the same city, but I needed some more space. So we have this beautiful shop here that I'm going to show you guys, kind of where my setup is, and some of the things we'll be doing to my C10. There's videos in my channel, check those out, and just a bit more space for my Jeep also to do some videos in that way. So I'm going to take you guys in. Without further ado, welcome to the shop. Come on, Zeus. You gonna show them their shop? Come on, boy. So guys, this is the shop. Please mind all of the garbage. We've just moved, so a lot of the stuff that was in my other garage is now in here. So again, please excuse all the junk that is not supposed to be in here that is in here. We still have to find homes for that all. But yes, this is going to be my new workshop for my new projects, the C10, the Jeep, my truck. I'm so stoked. We got a lift in the shop. Check it out. I'm so excited. This is all of the parts, guys, that I have taken apart in my C10. We have fit into the box of this bad boy. Everything is in here. So all of the interior that we ripped out, obviously the engine's not here. The engine's sitting over there by the tractor. Sorry about the tractor there. We had to make some way to get my trailer in here in order to, I don't know, get it into the shop. So there's the driveway that we've been plowing. Yeah, this is my shop, guys. I really hope that you guys can get an idea of the size of this thing. So yeah, we've got some stuff going on here, all my cabinets, we've got some fresh water, but the big thing on this shop here, guys, is this lift. This is going to be kind of what I'll be using a lot of in order to make my life quite a bit easier. It's awesome. It came pre-built when we bought our property. So yeah, I'm so excited to be able to share with you guys more of this journey that I have been so stoked about doing, and just the amazing environment that it is. It's peaceful here, and I don't have to be kind of stressed out about, okay, am I gonna wake my babies when I'm, you know, working on my truck and banging it away on that. So I'm so excited that you guys can be with me on this. Well guys, if you really enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a subscribe to see more upcoming videos and to just support me and my endeavors that I've kind of gotten myself into. I love you guys so much. I hope that you guys are staying safe, and my heart and prayers go out to everybody who's watching this video. Thank you again so much for supporting me. I love you guys, and we'll catch you next time.